Hello, and welcome to the FleetCarma C2 Tesla Model 3 installation video. Today, we're going to show you how to install your FleetCarma C2 into your Tesla Model 3. Let's get started. Remove the C2 device from its box. Retain the box for future reference to the C2 ID number and activation code. Connect the Tesla Model 3 vehicle interface cable to the port on the C2 device. Now, turn on your vehicle so it's ready to drive. Then, move both of the front seats all the way forward. Once you've moved the front seats out of the way, you can move to the back seat of the vehicle. From here, locate the small plastic panel at the bottom of the center console between the two front seats. This panel is held in place by 5 push-fit clips. The clips will release when pressure is applied, allowing the panel to be opened. This panel is designed to be removed by hand, so we'll show you how. Find an Allen key or L-shaped screwdriver and slide the short end of the tool under the panel on the right-hand side. Turn it so that the short end is vertical. Pull towards you to loosen the bottom right clip holding the panel in place. Once this first clip is loosened, you can use your hands to pull the panel towards you and loosen the top right clip. After the right-hand side has come open, you can loosen and open the remaining 3 clips. Once you've removed the panel, you will find the Tesla proprietary diagnostic connector. Depending on the manufacturing date of your vehicle, this connector will either be blue or white. Press down on the clip holding the white connector in place and slide to the left to release it. Plug the 2 open ends of the vehicle interface cable into the corresponding connectors in your vehicle. Push both of them until they click into place. The connectors will only fit one way. Check that your C2 device is ready to go by looking at the LEDs. The orange light will begin blinking once the C2 is connected to the vehicle. When it goes solid, it means the C2 is functioning correctly. Next, the blue light will begin blinking as it attempts to connect to your local cell network. You can move on at this stage, or wait for the blue light to go solid as well. This means it has successfully connected to FleetCarma's servers. Now, push the excess cables into the small opening at the bottom of the center console. Take the C2 device and slide it between your center console and the front seat with the cable lying directly on the floor. Grab the panel you removed earlier and put it back into place on top of the cable so that it doesn't get pinched. Push on each clip until they click into place. That's it! You're ready to begin charging with FleetCarma.